So I want to plant this. It's called bitter spinach or Tsunga in Shona, or Spinachi babako in Siswati. I don't know if it has a proper name in Siswati, but that's what they call it here. So this is how a seedling looks like. I bought this pot for like $20. It was more than this. Just that some of the seedlings have been transplanted somewhere, so these are left. So I'll be planting this. Okay, so I was supposed to space the plants 30 centimeters apart, but the seedlings are a lot, so they can't fit in this small bed. Funny enough, when I made this bed, I thought it was actually way big, and I'm going to add some herbs that I'll buy tomorrow. So the bed is too small. I need to make another bed.